YouTube creators are always looking for high quality editors to help take their content to the next level. If you've got an eye for storytelling and some basic editing skills, you can turn this into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income. In this video, I'll show you how to get started as a YouTube video editor, find clients, and deliver content that keeps them coming back for more. Making money online as a YouTube video editor starts with understanding the demand for quality editing. Creators often don't have time or skills to edit their own content, especially as their channels grow. This is where you come in. Offering your services as a skilled editor can save them time and improve the quality of their videos. With YouTube's focus on retention and engagement, good editing is crucial for a channel's success. If you can help creators stand out with polished, engaging videos, you'll quickly become an in-demand asset in the content creation industry. The first step to getting started in building a basic skill set in video editing. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Many successful editors started with simple tools like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. As you gain confidence, transition to more advanced software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. Spend time learning essential editing techniques like cutting transitions, color grading, and sound mixing. If you want to learn how to become better at these, YouTube is a fantastic resource. They have tons of free tutorials used to hone your editing skills. The goal is to start small and improve over time while focusing on speed and creativity. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to create a portfolio to showcase your work. Your portfolio doesn't need to include paid projects at first. Practice editing your own mock videos or re-edit public domain clips to demonstrate your skill set. Make sure to focus on variety. Showcase how you handle different styles, from fast-paced vlogs to cinematic B-roll. Your portfolio is your ticket to landing clients, so make it professional and accessible. Consider hosting it on a free website or even creating a YouTube channel dedicated to your editing work to market yourself effectively. Finding clients is the next big step, and freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent places to get started. On Upwork, you can create a portfolio highlighting your skills, experience, and obviously the actual work that you produce. Look for projects posted by YouTubers or businesses seeking video editing services and submit tailored proposals. Fiverr, on the other hand, allows you to list your editing services with set prices, making it easy for clients to find and hire you. Both platforms are competitive, so pricing your services attractively and showcasing your unique skill set will help you stand out. These platforms also provide valuable reviews and ratings that build your credibility over time. Reaching out directly to smaller YouTube creators is also another effective way to find clients. Many small creators need help with editing but don't have the budget for a full-time editor. Start by engaging with their content, leaving thoughtful comments, and then pitching your services through email or through social media. Be sure to mention how you can help improve their videos by saving them time. You can even offer trial edits or discount rates for your first project. You can build trust and secure your first clients. Networking in creator communities can also lead to word-of-mouth referrals. When pitching your services, focus on how you can help creators achieve their goals. Mention the specific ways your editing can improve viewer retention, boost engagement, or save them time. Be clear about your pricing and what's included in your service, such as revisions or delivery timeframes. Starting with competitive rates can help you attract initial clients, but be prepared to raise your prices as you gain experience and build a reputation. A strong pitch shows you're professional and serious about delivering value, which is key to standing out in a crowded market. Delivering high quality work consistently is crucial for your success as a YouTube editor. Pay attention to details like timing, pacing, and ensuring your edits align with your creator vision and goals. Communication is also key. Ask clients for clear instructions and feedback to ensure that they're satisfied with the final product. Over-delivering on the final project, especially for your first few clients, can lead to glowing testimonials and referrals. Your goal is to establish your reputation for readability and excellence, making you the go-to editor for repeat projects. To scale your editing side hustle, consider niching down for specific types of editing. And for example, you could specialize in gaming content, educational videos, or even travel vlogs. Specializing allows you to become an expert in one particular style, which can attract higher paying clients who want a tailored approach. As you develop expertise, you'll be able to work faster and command higher commission, increasing your overall income. Niching also makes your marketing efforts more focused and effective, helping you secure long-term clients who value your unique skills. Using tools and resources can streamline your workflow and help you deliver better results. Platforms like TubeBuddy can assist creators in optimizing their content, and understanding how to use these tools can make you an even more valuable editor. If you guys want to get started with Fiverr or Upwork like we talked about in this video and start listing your services on the platform, make sure you use the links down in the description. These are going to be the best possible way to find your very first set of clients and get paid for them. If you guys want to work completely for free and not have to worry so much about chasing after every single client and getting a pay stub from them, I would highly recommend recommend either sending out cold DMs or emails to people who look like they need editing assistance. Also, once you're a little bit bigger, you can start familiarizing yourself with more helpful tools like Spotter Studio or TubeBuddy. These are great ways to help plan out content, and you can expand from being just an editor to a full-time content coach. This can help people direct the type of content that they're trying to produce and ultimately help people actually plan out high-quality content that generates them income. Over time, as you gain reviews and testimonials, your profile will rank even higher, attracting even more clients. Meanwhile, keep networking with creators directly, as this combination of methods ensures a steady stream of opportunities. The key here is to stay proactive in marketing yourself while maintaining high standards for the work that you produce. Efficiency is critical when working as a freelance editor. Developing a streamlined process for editing, client communication, and file delivery can save you hours of work. Tools like cloud storage for sharing files or project management apps for tracking deadlines can help you stay organized. The more efficient you are, the more clients that you'll be able to handle without sacrificing quality. Time management is the backbone of scaling your editing business effectively, ensuring you deliver on time while maximizing your income potential. Consistency in delivering great work is how you build long-term success. Happy clients will refer you to others, and repeat business becomes the foundation of your income. These are the basics, and hopefully this video helped you. Make sure to comment down below if you're planning on starting your very own editing business, and let me know what you're actually specializing in. Also, let me know if there's any platforms that I missed that could be helpful in actually building your very own editing business. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember that any of the links down in the description can monetarily benefit us, and they go towards supporting more videos like this one. Make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.